Let's explore WooCommerce blocks. They help you quickly set up your online shop and customize it, all without needing to code. Blocks enable you to create custom store pages, design landing pages for a collection of products, highlight specific products, showcase product categories, enable filters, add a search field, and much more. Now let's see what are blocks. Blocks are content elements that you add to your store. Each item you add to a post or page is a block. You can add blocks for each paragraph, images, videos, galleries, audio, lists, and more. Each block consists of a block toolbar, a block settings sidebar, and the block content. Depending on the block's purpose, the buttons of the block toolbar will change, and so will be settings items in the block settings sidebar. Let's see how to edit WooCommerce using Block Editor in 2024. Here are a few WooCommerce blocks. Banners blocks. Banners blocks are an integral part of WooCommerce blocks, allowing you to present your products, sales, and promotions in an engaging and visually appealing way. They provide your users with key information and create a more immersive shopping experience on your site. Mini Cart block. The mini cart block allows customers to check the contents of their cart from any page of the store. You can add the mini cart block from the site editor if you are using a block theme, or from the widget editor if you are using a classic theme. All products block. The All Products block enables you to display all of your products in a professional grid with pagination and sorting options. However, this feature is only available if you're using WooCommerce. With that plugin, you'll also get access to all the other WooCommerce blocks in the block editor. Columns block. Call to Action, CTA, button. The Columns block is included in the cart block for WooCommerce blocks 8.6.0 or higher. Adding the cart block to a page is all that's required to install the cross block initially. From the block settings on the sidebar, the merchant can configure how many cross-sells products should be visible on the cart page by using the slider. The merchant can choose between 1 and 6 visible products. Gallery block. The gallery block allows you to easily add multiple photos and automatically arrange them in a gallery. You can control the number of columns and the size of the images in the gallery. The gallery block can be added to a page by clicking on the block inserter, plus icon, and selecting the gallery block. Navigation block. A navigation block in WooCommerce is a custom block that allows you to create custom navigation menus for your website. It allows you to create menus with custom links, custom CSS, and custom JavaScript. You can use the navigation block to create menus for different pages or sections of your website, and you can customize the appearance and behavior of the menus to fit your needs. File block. File block is a functional WordPress block editor for managing files and images within WordPress content. In WooCommerce File Block, you can upload or select files and images to embed into your posts or pages, as well as customize the size, alignment, and other appearance of the files.
These were the steps how to edit WooCommerce using Block Editor in 2024. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.